Hello, Universidad San Francisco de Quito. My name is Manuel Alberto Abad Suarez. I am living currently in the city of Guayaquil. I am 39 years old and I'm single. I come from a big family, 10 brothers and sisters. That's a pretty big number. And I'm used to working and dealing with a lot of people because of my family. To tell you some information about my professional and educational background, I have a master's degree in pedagogy of foreign and national languages, with mention in English, which allows me to teach English and Spanish. I have also 10 years experience in higher education. I'm working now with the Universidad Estatal of Guayaquil, and also in the past I had worked with the Universidad Politécnica Salesiana. To tell you something about my teaching philosophy, I think that education is the foundation for life. Students and professors are the central core of education. And I think that education is not only important for providing students with knowledge, but with social life skills like responsibility, self-esteem, and discipline. Also, I think that there are no students in the world that are incapable of learning. They just need a caring and positive teacher. In my opinion, that I think that teachers have to meet the students' need because all the students learn in different ways. Responding to the question, what makes me a good fit for you at the Universidad San Francisco de Quito? I can tell you that I am a very positive person, hard worker, punctual, innovative, and creative. And also, you being at the top number one in the ranking of universities in Ecuador, 65 in Latin America, and 700 in worldwide, according to the Times Higher Education, that makes me think that I would love working with you because that will be a great challenge in my professional and personal life. Thank you very much. I hope that I can hear from you soon. See you.